In this section, we will discuss about motherboard. So a motherboard is also called as mainboard. This is a motherboard. Okay, and it is also called as mainboard. And it is a circuit board where we connect the other components like CPU. Okay, we connect the CPU here. RAM, we connect the RAM here. Hard disk. Okay, so we have some sockets here to connect the hard disk, and we connect the keyboard here, mouse, LAN card, etc. So it is used to connect the computer components. So it allows the communication between components like CPU, RAM, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, LAN card, etc. So this motherboard allows the communication between the computer components. You will connect all the components to the motherboard, and it will allow excuse me, and it will allow the communication. So there are two types of motherboards. One is client motherboard, which is used for PCs, and we have server motherboard, which is used for servers. So client motherboard, it has, if you see, this is the example of client motherboard, and if you observe here, we have only one socket to connect the CPU, which means we can connect only one CPU here. We can connect only one processor. So it has one processor socket. We can't run this device 24/7. Okay, and it is not suitable for servers. It is suitable for PCs. We can't run the computers 24/7 with this motherboard. Let us see the server motherboard type 1. So in server motherboard also we have two types. So this is type 1 server, which is having 4 processor sockets. You can see here, we can connect 4 processors to this motherboard, and each socket will have 8 RAMs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can run heavy applications like Oracle and SAP. We can do the multitasking, and we can run the devices 24/7. It is having 4 processor. It is having multiple sockets for RAMs. Okay, so we can run this server 24/7. And we have server motherboard type 2, and if you see here, it is having 2 sockets to connect the CPUs. We can connect 2 CPUs, 2 processors to this motherboard, and it is useful for limited hours only. We can't use the computer which is having this motherboard for 24/7. So let us say your organization runs only for 12 hours. So you should go for this motherboard.